See, we see all the pictures? What's that over there on the wall? What's that a picture of? On your door. What is it?
It's a puffin bird.
It's a puffin bird?
Yeah.
Oh. How about, what's this one?
It's forever.
Yeah.
Wait forever.
What's this one?
Russian cat.
And this one?
Seahorse.
Yeah. What are these?
Trees.
Trees. What are these?
Nothing.
And these?
Toys.
Yeah. How about the one flying up there, way up top? What's that one?
What? It's a bald eagle.
Mm-hmm. How about this guy? What's this one?
That one, that bear.
Black bear. Yeah. That's good. Okay, bye.
I like it too.
Okay.